trade publications. So they get in with a magazine or a specific organization. That's their whole marketing strategy, is working with these traditional marketing firms. And it's okay if they're getting results, but a lot of times they don't even know if they're getting results because they haven't done a trackable phone number, tied it to a landing page. And these things aren't cheap. This is big money. This is $8,000 on a full page ad,
Yep.
60,000 just to have a small space at a trade show. So even looking at, how do we see what they're doing currently? And then a lot of times it's not even growing the budget, it's just shifting it to digital to make sure that they can get more for their money. That's something a lot of people commonly struggle with too, is just they don't know what's working because they don't have any tracking in place. And then being able to go in and have some data to say this is working and this isn't, that's pretty common for a lot of manufacturing companies.
Right on. So we got TBG Digital, we've got Beth and we've got Gene. And we're talking about marketing for manufacturers, B2B marketing for manufacturers. They're going to run a 4-hour deep dive workshop at DOYO Live on August 1st. That's an optional first day. So you get in with that. We've got about a dozen spots open. We're going to limit that to 25 people, which is a good opportunity, a good segue, Beth, Gene, to talk about what are some of the takeaways. People are going to come into this 4-hour deep dive workshop. What are they going to walk into with? What are they going to